First of all, take a screenshot of any part of the video. After taking the screenshot, come to the Viggle AI Discord server. Type / in the text box and select the /Stylize app. Now upload the screenshot image here. After uploading the image, enter the prompt about your desired character. And then hit the enter button. After some time, Viggle AI will generate 4 images for you. Now, if you don't like the images, click on the regenerate icon from here. To upscale any image, click on the P button with the associated image number. Download the image to your device. Alright, our character is ready. Now come to the Viggle AI server and select the /mix app again. After that, upload the newly created character image and targeted video. After that, set the background in fine-tune value. After all is set, hit the enter button. After waiting some time, you will get the newly generated video clip. Click on the download icon from here to download the video.